Hello. You probably do not know me, but I am Daniel Melty, and welcome to my channel. I have not recorded or posted in what feels like a millennia, and frankly, the last thing I posted was we shall not speak its name. I need to redo that. But here I am with Slime Rancher. I love Slime Rancher. I'm technically I think I finished the game before. I played it a lot, and I tell people I finished it, but in reality, I'm not certain. Alright? So, I have made sure not to play it for a while so that I can go on. You know what? Let's just head in. You guys don't care about that part. Let's play. This is. Give me a second, I got technical difficulties. Lumina Thari. 1,000 light years away from Earth, on a planet known as Far, Far Range. Beatrix LeBeau begins her first day as a slime rancher. I am 100% sure that I butchered that. Alright, this is what I wanted. I wanted a new one. Alright, oh my god, the controls. Oh, Joe. Come here. Oh. Phase jump. Did I do that right? Did I sprint? I think I did. God, I need to work on the controls. Back to okay, it means ZL. Okay, you vacked a slime. Slimes are key to your success. Shoot slimes through a coral barrier into the coral of the branch and that'll be. Okay, wait. There you go. Hallelujah. There you go. Be happy. My treasures. God, give me a second. I need to try and see if I can fix this. I think that's much better. For now. We just need to not be spinning at 10,000 miles an hour. Okay, let's just go check on the mail. Star mail. Okay. I'm not reading that. Alright. Do I need... I think... Okay, capture... No, wait, come here. Back. Hey! Eat. You have gone into the pen. Okay, okay, good. That was not too high. So do I have to feed them now? Okay, wants me to feed them. Eat! Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Okay, finally. Okay. Keep hitting the wrong button to... Come on, come on, come on. Oh wait, that's an upgrade, I forgot. I was looking for the auto collector. And I was like, it's around one of these corners. And it was like, wait, I have to buy that, right? Alright, so this is, yeah, this is how I get money. Like the prices will fall so much. Hello, Duchess, yes. My service animal is over there at the end of the bed. Oh, wait, oh. Okay, I've learned the fundamentals. I've relearned my fundamentals. I have gotten back into my groove. How much money do I have? Okay, I have 274 X, right? I am literally dirt poor. Alright, let's go to the adventure squad. I don't have enough experience for that. Let's see. Okay, dry reef. Alright. It's the beginning state, dear lord. They congregate. I just want the carrots. Don't eat the carrots. Not yet. No. I just want the carrots. You vile things. Let me get... Don't eat the food. No. Oh, god damn it. No. No, you rats. My food. My stuff. Anyway, flirt. Oh, that's cute. You guys are cute. Stacking is cute. That was weird. That is, no, get that back. That is not, okay, A, jump. I keep trying to do B. I just need to learn the controls. Carrots, gimme. Carrots. There you go. Plorts, give me the poop money. Yeah, cause this is poop money. I will not deny. Ah! Oh no. I just really need to gather plorts so I can get some good income at the moment because I have like nothing. No, no, no. Get that here. Don't you ram me. Ooh, what's this thing? Oh, it's the map thing. Very cool. Back. Oh. Yo! I love doing this by controller instead of keyboard. Ooh, chicky, chicky, chicky. Oh wait, I don't have a corral yet. So I will wait. Do you want to grab more fruit? Well, no, I don't need you. I'm sorry. Oh my god! This is what I get for not practicing beforehand. I got everything? I think I got everything. Well, I should think about feeding them at least a bit so I can get them that poop money. Is that appropriate to say? I don't know. But it's legit true. And then I decided I was thinking too hard. Ah, haha. Okay. How do I jump? Okay, yeah, it's A. I missed my double jump. I missed... Alright, I'm just gonna go head back home. Even though I basically have no spoils. But hey, we all start off dirt poor. Home again, chickadee chick. Market to market, but I have no fat pigs. Alright. Yes, I clicked the right button. Da, da, da. Do I have enough? Yes, I do. Hallelujah. Alright. So I have enough money for like one thing. Should I do that to the crowd? Water tank, jetpack. No, I don't need these yet. I think I need to do something over. Okay, let's see. There's only 3 of them, right? No, there's 4 of them. It'd be more of an issue if there was 5 of them. So I think I can wait. Let's start off with the farm. A garden. Oh, I had enough for a garden a while ago. Okay. Let's start that. I think pogo fruit. Let's do pogo fruit. Now let's feed them. Alright, give me money. Give me money. Give me money. Come on. Come on. Alright, got all of the moneyings I need. Now let's go deposit for the moneyings. Keep pressing buttons under my controller. I'm not quite sure what they do. It freaks me out whenever I do it because I think, oh my god, I have just messed something up, and then nothing happens. Alright, so they're probably hungry, so let's get carrots into these guys. Oh, that one's really hungry. When they're hungry, they want escape. It's like rabbits. As long as you keep them happy and fed, they don't try to escape. If they are not happy, they attempt the escape. You're hungry still. Or are you? I guess you're not. Oh, no, you were. No, wait, that wasn't you. Go back. Alright. Let's get a fence. Here we go. Oh, crud. Get over here. Go into the whatever this does. Teleporter? something. Ooh, what's this do? Oh, this thing. Oh, it's... Is this new, or am I just stupid? I think I might just be stupid. Alright. Oh, wait. I'm gonna, check on... I don't think anything was grown. Oh, no, never mind. I have been proven very wrong. Again, with the wrong button. Hey, need silo. Need. Oh wait, that's not how to do silo. This is how you do silo. You need to go here. How much is a silo? Oh my god, I don't have that much money. Okay. Okay, out to feed the wild ones. Out to feed the wild slime with a side of ranch. I've had that on my brain for a while now. Slime with a side of ranch. Alright. Feed, you little suckers. Eat. Come on, go. Eat. Eat. Ah. Bro, stop no escaping. There. Are you full yet? Oh yeah, you're full. I just want the poop. Come on, give me them plorts. Yeah, give me the goods. That candy looking stuff, that's definitely not candy. Here, have your friend. You stole his food. I was not giving that to you. Oh wait, no, the right one got it. So then why did... never mind, I'm not gonna question it. Are you hungry? Yes. Oh, sorry. Are you hungry? Or are you happy? I can't aim. Ooh, fruit. Maybe I actually should just collect the fruit back at my house first before I go getting more fruit. I was just well, enjoy, guys. As I was just complaining about not having enough room or inventory to get all the fruits, the pogo fruits. Alright, good. They have not gone bad yet. That's good. Did more spawn while I was away? It feels like there was more of them. Alright, how are you guys doing? Alright, you guys still happy? Ooh. Oh, no. Give those back. I forgot about chickies. Like, I literally found a chick on my first outing, and then I said, oh wait, chick, and then I threw it out because, like, oh wait, I have no pen, so I decided not worth it. And I also absolutely forgot that there's at least 3 to 4 chickens that spawn at the home farm at the beginning. And now I've grabbed them and I still have no pen because I would like a silo. Oh wait, I should probably dispense my plort money. Get back here. Get back here. Alright. At this point, I wonder if thinking is worth it. I will, one day I will stop using the wrong button. And I will just pick up the food. Well, not the food. It's the poop. I pick up the poop. Yeah, I don't need you anyway. What am I doing? I'm just walking in circles. Are any of you hungry still? Money. Okay. Oh my god, if you're hungry, then stand still and let me shoot you with food. Here, eat more. Give me more plorts. Thank you. Now you don't want any more. Well, give me that. Ooh, I'm almost out of pogo fruit. Maybe I should transition to carrots for the bit. Any more? Oh, no, wait. Oh, no. No. Get those back. Butterfingers. Alright. Yo, there was ready carrots? Just want the carrot. To get all the plorts. Nope, there's one. There's two, actually. Did I get it? I heard someone eat. Who ate? I heard the eat, but I did not hear the poop. So apparently it did not happen. Nope, you're happy. So you don't need food. Yep. Okay. Sniper shot. Oh, no, I'm out of space. I need to go deposit my poop. Nice pink poop. Alright, yeah, I can just spam this. You know, I think we're like 20 off from a silo. Let me just double check. More like 30 off. Alright, you guys aren't hungry, so let's feed you. Dear Lord, eat! Forget it. Money. Come on. Alright, are you all satisfied? I can never, when you make that face, I don't know if you're truly happy. Like, the big old smile is what I'm looking for whenever you're, like, truly full. And sometimes they just get this tiny little smile, and they're still full entirely. And it's so confusing. Yo, I'm literally 1 coin off. Come on, someone poop. Yo. I should at least collect the poop around. I'd be stacking it. Anyone got any? Ooh. Why does it pulsate? Legitimately, why does it pulsate? I feel like it has no need to be pulsating. Okay. Okay, we have enough for a silo. Hit. Silo. There we go. Now, do I have more fruit? No, I was not made any fruit. Unfortunate. I don't feel like facing mobs yet, so let's go sleepy beep. Sleepy beep. Our room is very cute. Yay! I used to be very frustrated with the fact that the slimes would be hungry every morning, and then I remembered, well, I would used to sleep, okay, clarification. I used to use sleeping through the night to make my fruit grow faster, and then my slimes kept getting mad at me because they were also hungry, and it took me a while to realize that speeding up time, not only the fruit gets grown, but the slimes get hungry. It's a double-edged sword. See? All of them are feistily hungry. Yes! Oh yeah, are they all full? Or do I got more? I think I'm good. Oh, no. Probably shouldn't leave the fruit in here. It can go bad. And considering how dirt poor I am again, we need to save as much as possible. I know, that's the thing. Oh, sorry, Jerry. I don't need you right now. No, wait. Let's go deposit plorts first, and then I'm gonna deposit some bear bits, carrots. The elusive one. Oh, I miss you. I want you so bad. Ah, the frustration. How did I miss from so close? Why? Okay. Sucks is conscious now. Okay. I should probably transition to something else for a bit because the pink plorts have like decreased by 3 coins in value. It used to be 8 and it's now 5. So let us head to grab some of the whatchamacallits, blue spiky poopies plorts before we end things off today. I just want enough to get my chickens a little housey house. I want the poop. I don't want slime. I really need to stop calling it poop. They're plorts. Doesn't matter if they're actually poop. They're slime poop. That's why you call them plorts. Oh, nice. Well, that will be good. Dashing will be good for when I actually have funds. Alright, I've arrived, people. Yeah, give me your poop. No, don't eat that. Don't eat that. Oh, no, I don't. No. Oh. No, thank you. Oh, no, rude. Alright, I'm full capacity on pink plort. I'd really like some blue plort now. Oh, you just ate. Yes. Okay. Come on. Waiting for ya guys. Get some extra. I'm gonna rethink that phrasing. Okay, I guess I'll have to feed you. Ah! You guys eat the veggies, right? I think they're veggie. Okay, they're veggie eater. I forgot that the pink slimes literally eat anything. Every other slime has a preference of either 2 or 1 type of thing. I think you're full. No. All good here. Thank you. Ow! Poop was worth so much, and yet you hurt so badly. Oh, danger, Will Robinson, danger. Nope. Ooh. Oh, I'm not safe. I'm not safe. Okay. Last one for the day. No. Get those carrots back. Alright, but goodbye. Oh, no. More. Alright, now goodbye. Goodbye. I am off. Alright. The return. Alright, well, let's go with the undervalued stuff first. I'm afraid it's like gonna suddenly start drifting. Oh my god. Big one. Alright. I like to put my chicken coops up here because if the slimes get out, it gives the chickens like a 30% more chance of not being eaten. garden. Cool. Alright, now to go grab those chickens. Won't produce any chicks yet because I have no roosters. But I have the peace of mind of having it now. Alright. Alright, folks, we're gonna end this vlog by just stirring up my beautiful slimes. Let's feed them. Let's feed them. Let's make them happy before I leave. Alright, let's pick them up. I hope. No, give those back. I hope you guys have enjoyed what I'm canonically considering my first video. We shouldn't speak of what has been made beforehand. But yeah, I hope you guys like the video, like and subscribe if you please. I know I'm tired of hearing it, but frankly, as someone who likes being reminded, when I like a video, I often forget to like it or subscribe to the channel. So being told to is like a nice reminder. So just, yeah, that. Okay. So this is Daniel Milty saying off, but thank you so much for tuning in and see you in the next episode.